Hi everybody, it's Danny here from Handmade Papercraft. Today I am sharing with you the Art Stash box. So this is the December 2019 box. I have actually already taken everything out, but it was very well packed in. So let's go through it and have a look what's inside. Okay, so first of all, the December 2019 box is the hand lettering box. So within this package you receive all of these products. So let's go through. So you get a paintbrush. It's got that super fine tip on it. Make sure that you keep these little plastic covers that come on the paintbrush as well. They're very helpful in keeping your brush from being damaged. So after you use it, just keep the bristles nice and wet, carefully roll them, and then you can push it straight into the cover. Alright, you receive a packet of the Copic markers, the multi-liners. In that package you get the brush S, brush M, calligraphy S, calligraphy M. So they're all in black. You will also receive the Espresso watercolour pad. This is the A4 pad. I've just pulled the sticker off the top of my box and written my code on there for you. So if you use my code, which is Denny, D-E-N-I, you will receive 15% off your box. So please use that. That's that one. So let's have a look what else we get. Alright, so we've got some markers. So first we've got the Kirarina Wink. So you get the lime green, the violet, and the lemon yellow. They are all absolutely stunning. I did do a test run for you. Hopefully you guys can see how glittery and gorgeous that is. Absolutely stunning. So don't forget to use that code. There's another code here as well to use as next box, and that's that one. You will receive 10% off your next box if you use this code, but 15% if you use my code. So that's those. Alright, the next markers is the Eco-Line brush pen. So you do receive two of those. So we've got the deep green and the magenta. And once again, they are absolutely gorgeous as well. Really pretty. That's those. You receive two watercolors. So this is the Eco-Lines. There's actually no names on them, but one's a pink, one's a blue. So it's like a rose pink. So they're like a little medicine dropper. And they are absolutely stunning. If you can see that I've got really bad lighting, it's quite late here. So they are gorgeous. So you get, to me it looks like a rose pink, and they are watercolors. And that's the blue. Beautiful, so pretty. Alright, so that's those. And you also receive the acrylic ink. This is the pearl yellow. Same thing. It's got that gorgeous, so pretty. So can't wait to get using this box. Lots and lots of goodies in there. I will have a photo as well so you can see all my stuff laid out. That's all the awesome goodies that you received in the package. So again, here is their little printout that they give you in the box. So much awesome stuff. There is some steps here as well to show you a few things that you can do. And they are just stunning. Alright, so I hope to get some creations made for you soon. Until then, I will see you all soon. Once again, just don't forget, if you are wanting to purchase one of these boxes, please do head over to artstash.com.au. You can also follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Use my code, which is Danny, D-E-N-I, for 15% off. See you soon. Bye.